Today is a special day. Two things happened. My sister's in town.
Hi.
And I got my new shipment of the 1UP pre-workout. Very excited. I usually tend to stay away from pre-workouts because of, I just don't like to have my adrenal system always on a high. I love my coffee, but she really wants some pre-workout because we're about to hit it good at the gym. And I said, you know what, perfect timing. So here it is. Here it is. This is the 1UP. What I like about this is there's no artificial colorings, which is very big for me. And I had their packet sample and I loved it. I loved how it made me feel. I wasn't super jittery. I think she's gonna love it too. So I want her to try it. And while she tries it, I will give you some information.
I love pre-workout.
Do you really?
Oh yeah, I cannot work out without it.
See, I can't do it. I can't do a full scoop. I literally just like dip my tongue in there and that's like enough.
And I also rather do sour than sweetness. So I'm actually looking forward to trying this. So
Let's
get some.
Sweet. Do you want the full scoop?
Yes.
Really? How about half?
What's the serving dose?
Okay, so intense is a full scoop. It says it gives you a strong or intense, and you're getting about 600 milligrams of citrulline, which is what gets your blood pumping. It really wakes up your nervous system. And caffeine, you get 250 milligrams with a full scoop. So you tell me.
Let's just do half. I already had coffee. I had like 2-3 cups this morning.
I had 6. Love coffee. All right, we're doing 6. I have a scoop, and I'll have her try it. I don't think I've had this flavor.
That's a lot of water.
Oh, you do less?
I do a dry shot.
She's intense, guys.
Do we not do that? Oh.
Yeah, I guess I'm not intense like her.
This is too much. I do like a little bit of water, if anything.
All right, we'll try it.
All right, so here we go. Tastes like water.
All right, fine. Do the I'll taste it.
I said half a dose.
Oh, wow.
I mean, it tastes really good. It tastes like pineapple.
It does taste like pineapple. I don't taste a lot of peach in it.
No, and it's not very sour nor sweet.
But also I didn't put a lot in.
It's very soft.
Yeah, I definitely taste pineapple.
It actually doesn't even taste like a pre-workout where it's super intensely like sour sweet. For me, it tastes like BCAAs.
It does. It's like mellow. So again, the nitric oxide here, the component, which is what gives you that vascular look because it really opens up your veins, is here. They have 7,500 milligrams of a combination of citrulline and nitrosigine.
Now it's sour.
All right, well, we'll see.
All right, so should we begin a pump in the next, 20 minutes?
Yes.
Let's hit it hard.
I will say though, this is not going to give you that tingly feeling, which is what I actually don't like that it does, because it doesn't have. This still has beta-alanine, but I never got it when I tried it. But you guys just saw I didn't take a full scoop, so maybe that's why. Well, I'll let you know how it is afterwards, but
let's get it.
Okay, day 2 of trying the 1UP pre-workout. What would you say so far?
I will give it about an 8 out of 10. Only because I don't like too much the tingling effect. And otherwise, the flavor is good. It does give you a good pump. It does give you the energy. It'll last you the good hour and a half. So
I think we both need it right now. We are very tired.
Yeah, this coffee is not doing it for us. So
and today's leg day.
Leg day?
Yes.
Yes, we need it.
In addition to what else came in here, so as you see, I just ended up getting the pre-workout. It was $49, and then with my 𝘗𝘬𝘬𝘯 coupon code, took $10 off. So the pre-workout was $39.60. As you see here, it's a really good size. Usually the containers are smaller, so this is gonna last me a while. And of course, 1UP is awesome with sending you some fun samples. Here I got the BCAAs. I've had this one before. Then I got their another pre-workout green apple candy, which I really like. Their mint Ooh, this is an interesting flavor. Mint cookies and cream, whey protein, and their nighttime fat burner. These are all came free with the purchase. 1UP is great, and of course they always send you a little note in here. And of course they always send you with a cute little note. They have an app as well if you didn't know that. But here it goes.